Hey, if you are wondering why fast charging is not working on your Samsung A07, like in my case, as you can see it's charging only with 7 watts, but the smartphone supports 25 watts. So, first of all, you have to check if the battery protection is turned on. Some phones limit charging speed on purpose, like in the Samsung A07, to reduce battery wear. So make sure that the battery protection is turned off. Now, another common reason is that your battery level is already close to 100%, like in my case, as you can see, is 97%. And when the phone actually reaches around 80 to 90%, charging automatically slowed down to protect the battery. This is normal behavior and it's not a problem with a charger, cable, or your smartphone. And now just a few tips how you can actually speed up your fast charging. So first of all, in the battery settings, you have to take a look for charging settings and simply make sure that you are gonna turn on fast charging. Make sure that you are gonna turn off the battery protection, but also make sure that you are using cable that support this fast charging. As you can see, I have 100 watt fast charging and also fast power delivery charger. So if you use some no-name cables and connect this, for example, to your TV or laptop, then the fast charging might be not working. So just make sure that it's connected to the fast power adapter and the fast charging cable. That's pretty much it, just a short information for you. Hope you find it useful.